a WikiVidi documentaries production. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Cook's Country. Cook's Country is an American half-hour television cooking show on the PBS channel. The show is based on Cook's Country magazine, and a cover of the magazine appears at the start of each episode. The show's 11th season is currently airing as of late August 2018. Cast. Cook's Country is structured similarly to America's Test Kitchen, with many of the same cast. Christopher Kimball, Bridget Lancaster and Julia Collin-Davison are primarily featured, with Erin McMurray joining the regular cast in Season 2. Jack Bishop is once again in charge of the tasting lab, while Adam Reed continues to feature new products in the equipment corner. During Season 1, Kimball's neighbor Axel Blomberg occasionally appeared on screen with a dish of the featured recipe, exhibiting how the recipe could be badly executed. Julia Collin-Davison did not appear during Season 2. Having given birth to a daughter shortly before that season's episodes were filmed, she returned in Season 3. On November 16, 2015, a news release from Boston Commons Press, parent company of Cook's Country, Cooks Illustrated, and America's Test Kitchen, announced the departure of Christopher Kimball over a contract dispute. Season 9's TV programs had already been filmed with Kimball as the host, but he would not appear on any future episodes. Due to the departure of Christopher Kimball, Bridget Lancaster and Julia Collin-Davison began hosting Cook's Country in Season 10. Also in Season 10, America's Test Kitchen staff members Ashley Moore, Christy Morrison and Brian Roof were added to the cast, while Erin McMurray, having moved to the America's Test Kitchen cast, is no longer seen on air on Cook's Country. Season 11 added Lan Lam to the cast. Episodes. In contrast to its predecessor, Cook's Country focuses on recipes that are more rustic, especially those from South or Southwestern America. The hosts begins each segment with a historical perspective on each recipe prior to the demonstration. The tasting lab segments are filmed before a live audience on location, a farmhouse in Rupert, Vermont. The theme music, Right Between Your Eyes, is performed by the San Francisco bluegrass band, Hot Butter Drum. A title card at the end of each episode of Season 1 reads, "In memory of Felicia Armstrong, a kitchen assistant murdered on November 1, 2007. Brought to you by WikiVidi Documentaries. Would you like to know more?